Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to remove someone from your restricted list on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now, click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Restricted List, click on Edit. Step 8. Click on See Your Restricted List. Step 9. Finally, locate the person you want to remove from the restricted list and click on the Remove button next to their name. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to remove someone from your restricted list on Facebook using your PC. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.